Hello friends. In today's selection, we will present machines and tools that not only increase labor efficiency, but also significantly facilitate the work of workers in various fields. We will look at both simple handmade tools and complex equipment that works according to predefined programs and algorithms.
The leather, a natural and organic material, reacts to the laser due to its composition. When exposed to the laser beam, the material absorbs the energy, leading to localized heating and, in some cases, vaporization.
This bandsaw effortlessly slices through multiple pieces of rebar with precision and ease. You will be shocked at the precision with which this man makes flawless metal circles. This machine securely wraps tubes firmly to ensure convenient packaging. Experience the captivating process of bottle capping.
Locals believe that the act of thawing a car door with fire is equivalent to giving the vehicle a spa day. The car supposedly emerges from the process feeling refreshed, with a newfound zest for the road.
A tractor attachment tills the grass effortlessly. A drilling machine shapes a wooden spatula into a concave form. A machine creates multiple creases to bend the elbow of gutters into its desired shape. Scrap metal is easily lifted by a giant magnet. Lined up empty propane tanks are effortlessly sliced in half by a sharp cutter machine. A strong cutter machine slices any hard metal objects in half for recycling. A tool helps a worker insert plastic pipes into one another. Machine pressing stamps ladles into their concave shape. An ingenious automatic machine quickly makes dumplings. A hot bolt is pressed by a hand machine to seal two thick metal sheets together. A laser machine etches numbers onto blank wooden dice to label them. Small pipes are enlarged by a machine that inserts a metal probe with lubrication. A coconut is effortlessly peeled by a machine. A machine molds warm rubber into large pots for plants. A pressure cutting machine segments blocks of cement into smaller pieces.
This is a special type of ink used in printing. Puff ink contains a substance that expands when exposed to heat, creating a raised, three-dimensional effect on the printed material.
An apple juicer machine processes apples into juice. A worker curves a flat sheet of metal into a cone shape for construction projects. Metal stamped letters mark station numbers on asphalt. Workers collaborate to paint arrows on the streets using specialized machinery that handles the spray painting. This tool smooths out wet cement on a curved retaining wall. Moss and other water plants are removed by a rotating excavator head attachment. A mesmerizing Tetris-like conveyor belt effortlessly moves objects to the side. In a factory, machines with multiple suction cups pick up and transfer eggs without dropping them. Studs are glued by an underlying roller and then joined. A stamper machine shapes soap wax into unique soap forms.
The purchase of these sneakers comes with a virtual red envelope empowerment. Inside the digital red envelope, wearers discover personalized messages of encouragement, luck, and prosperity, creating a unique connection between the sneakers and their fortunate owners.
An impressive robotic machine with 2 rotating hands ties ropes around the ball root of a tree to prevent damage during shipping.
This tractor plants rice seedlings with remarkable speed.
Barrel recycling is facilitated by a massive shredder, turning them into reusable metal. A machine thinly shaves logs for hardwood flooring. Dipping the entire brick in cement proves more effective than manually applying the cement. This specialized tool head is designed to securely lift barrels by their edges. Workers use a rope or a belt in a simple and ingenious method to tighten nuts by pulling the rope, avoiding the need for additional tools. Powdered cement is inserted into a brick mold, where a presser machine firmly presses it down to create bricks. A laser etches numbers and hash marks onto lenses.
Cement blocks are fed into a machine that swiftly grinds them into powder.
Fish on a conveyor belt are sorted and stored by size. A flood is cleared using a plastic bottle through a siphon effect. Thick meat is sliced into thin pieces by a rotary cutter machine with ease. This is how hangers are manufactured in a factory. Clay bricks are extruded from a mold and then cut by a rotating thin wire on a conveyor belt. A giant magnet lifts multiple jars by their lids, transporting them for shipping. Logs are passed through a machine that removes the bark within seconds. A pipe with a curve is sealed with plastic by a hand-rotating tool.
Workers place wheels on top of tires, and a press machine securely embeds them into the tires.
Hot plastic is blown out and molded to create suitcases.
bodies of old cars have been placed under a press for further recycling and processing. Even such a heavy and massive tractor wheel can be quickly and effortlessly loaded onto a truck trailer with ingenuity.
Thick rebar is instantly cut by a presser machine as if it were a twig.
This press is specially designed for pressing sawdust.
Crepes are produced on a carousel crepe maker in a factory.
This handy device effortlessly transforms metal into springs.
A torch easily renews old plastic stadium chairs.
Tree branches are carefully pruned to direct their growth using this tractor. This wheeled sand washing machine effortlessly removes impurities from sand.
Thick logs are thinly sliced into wooden sheets for various projects.
You are witnessing the last step of creating a 10-kilogram kettlebell. It undergoes a special process where it is coated with protective rubber. This kitchen machine is designed for chopping vegetables in large quantities. These two parts fit perfectly together, so after their fusion, there is not even the slightest gap visible. This is a line for the production of powerful musical diffusers. At this stage, the worker glues the cap to protect against dust. This screw-propelled vehicle has amazing off-road capability. However, a downside is that it is slow and cannot move on hard surfaces like asphalt.